Anna just tried to lick my face.
No. Hi. Stop, it's my intro. Hey guys, the Illuminati's real. Hey guys, with the Rick Stop. Hi. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna answer some questions that my friends have asked me on my Instagram. I would say fans, but I don't have any. So let's answer the first freaking question, bro. The first question is, what's my name? And the answer is
Stephanie.
No, the answer is Toby because it was Toby who asked that question. So it's being a smarta. The next question is, what's your least favorite candy? And this is not a candy, but I hate papaya. Oh, dang it, I just burped it. I wanted to do it in front of the camera, but Okay, next question. How are you? Thank you so much for asking. Not that great. How about you?
Bad.
You're not gonna answer the question?
Good, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Even though she just ate like my entire pantry, she's still hungry. And I didn't get any more questions, so we're gonna wait until more roll in. And now we're playing Hannah Montana.
What, Hamilton?
Hannah Montana,
No.
sis.
Oh.
All right, we're gonna play this song. I cried. My 6-year-old self cried, so we're gonna watch it.
Say goodbye. Yesterday's gone. We gotta keep moving on. Keep it like a
Oh my god, love this song.
I need a boyfriend, so hit me up. We both need boyfriends, so hit me up.
limbo wild run. Play music and be
Did I scare you?
It's like Lil Pump's new song. Hey, no.
You're such a
Oh, my hair so hard. Sorry. Everyone gather around. Our question is, where do babies come from? So when two people love each other very much, they write a letter to the store. We both did the same thing.
Nobody likes her. She was stupid and ugly.
Purple.
It kind of shows up on camera.
in this way. Come on, sugar, don't you leave early.